Kim siz kalın.
This is another Russian Grad MLRS detonation during counter-battery fire by the Ukrainian 45th Artillery Brigade. The Ukrainian unit Shadow reported the destruction of a Russian S-300 launcher along with its 92 N6E radar. Ukrainian forces successfully hit a valuable Russian S-300 VSAM anti-ballistic missile system on the southern front. Multiple Himars launched M30A1G MLRS rockets showered a 9M83 TELAR with tens of thousands of tungsten fragments, with a nearby 9M82 TELAR taking a drone hit. This morning, Russian media reported that contact was lost with a Mi-8 helicopter near the border of the Irkutsk region and Buryatia. A few days ago, another Mi-8 helicopter with over a dozen people on board went missing in Kamchatka. Although it was eventually located, everyone on board died. Coincidence? A Ukrainian armored personnel carrier fires at an enemy infantry landing force towards Pokrovsk. The Russians are attacking Ukrainian positions north of Ugledar with a massive wave of thermobaric rockets. The thing with this weapon is that trenches won't keep you safe. Ukrainian soldiers repelled a large Russian mechanized assault in Chasovyi Yar with the support of FPV. They destroyed manpower and equipment, 3 MT-LBS and 1 BMP. On the way to Mongolia, Putin's double stopped in occupied Tuva Republic, where Putin keeps his subjects in abject poverty. 88% of the 337,000 residents of Tuva use wood and coal for heating. Police attack people peacefully protesting Putin's visit to the country. Mongolian government refused to arrest him in accordance with the International Criminal Court arrest warrant. Since it was actually Putin's double, they shouldn't have been afraid to arrest.
За Монгол улсын иргэн Монгол улсын хаанч 50 замаар үзэж бодлоо илэрхийлж үнцэн хойдын 2 дугаар бүлгийн 16-гийн 16 дээр заагдсан байгаа.
Ukraine will receive 36 Serbian MiG-29s through France, media reports. Serbia signed a contract with France for the purchase of 12 Rafale fighter jets for €3 billion. Part of the amount, $390 million, will be covered by the delivery of 36 MiG-29s to Paris. The fighters will arrive in France in December and then will probably be handed over to Ukraine. Moscow was allegedly informed about this plan. The Serbian MiG-29 SE have an improved radar for simultaneous attack of 2 targets, the ability to use RVVAE, R-77 missiles, and an increased combat load of up to 4,000 kilograms. A resident of Lebedevka in Russia's Kursk shared that Ukrainians bring them everything from medicines to Coca-Cola from the Great Land. Moreover, the woman offered Ukrainian hryvnias to the defenders, but they did not take them.
Ничего, тут хлопцы, нормально. Если вот куда-то едут, если я иду, они останавливаются, говорят, мы там едем на большую землю. Я говорю, а куда это? Ну, они мне так сказали. Я говорю, куда? На большую землю. Вам что-то надо? Такой разговор был. У меня то сколько гривен было, я предложила, говорю, дрожжи надо было. Они сказали, у меня было 500 гривен. Я... Натя, заберите, купите мне дрожжи, там что там вы можете купить. Лекарства привозили, хлеб привозили. Что еще? Денег он не взял. Ну, то, что это самое, он привез. Дрожжей привез. Бабушке даже Кока-Колу привез. Представляете? Она говорит, я допиваю. Я говорю, ну ты это, губу, говорю, закатывай. Ну так ничего.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.